this is Rhonda. Welcome back to our channel. Thank you very much, and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and welcome. And to the ones that follow and comment, I thank you so much. You have no idea what you're being here, watching, what your comments. I try to answer each and every one of them when I see them. Sometimes I don't see them right away, and I apologize, but I do try to answer each and every one of them. I know some of the bigger ones, when you get, they get 30 and 40,000. I know it's probably impossible to answer each and every comment, but I doubt I would ever get that up that way, but I'm sure some of them that are up there didn't expect to either, so I can always hope. And I really want this to be a success. I want to be able to do monthly giveaways. I want to be able to do surprise giveaways. I want to be able to give back as much as possible, and the only way I can afford to do that at right now is if I do eventually get up enough to where, get monetization or something. But I'm also working on getting my business up and going better more, since Levi's getting older and doesn't need constant care, but since we're doing homeschool, he's going to need quite a bit of care for now to get this homeschooling done. But today I have my Tribe Beauty box. I actually meant to cancel this, and I didn't cancel it in time, but I actually love the palette. I just recently did a video and the eye look for you all. I went ahead and did that, and I'm kind of glad I didn't cancel it because I really like that. So let me get the stuff out. I just didn't, this box, I should have looked that up. I think this is a bi-monthly box, and I'm thinking it is, I should have looked that up for you. I think it's like $34, pretty sure it's like $34 every 2 months. I'll find out and leave it, but I'm $34.99, and it's a bi-monthly box. You get 5 full-size products worth over $100 for only $34. For a $34 box, I really like to get more than that for it when you consider most boxes you do. And I was happy with the last two, the one 2 months ago, but this one, it just seemed kind of blah. But I did really like the palette. I'm trying to see, did they send a paper? Yeah, they did. So I got 2 different kind of brushes. I think, yeah, they're both Luxie. This is a precision foundation. No way that's a foundation brush. I mean, look how, no way that would really do good on foundation. That's odd. And this one says it is dual fiber powder. Yeah, that'd probably be good for highlighter, but it's very, very flexible. I don't know how else to describe it. It's definitely not dense enough to do much with. So those, see if it says the brushes, dual fiber powder brush and precision foundation brush. Wow, surely not. The dual fiber that's no way. We get stuff like that in Ipsy, the $12 bag. Every now and then they'll send something like that. or a whole entire set that says they're valued at $20 or $30, but these say the Luxie Dual Fiber Powder. It says that's valued at $25 for that one brush. See, it's, I mean, like I said, it'd be nice for a highlighter or something, but, and then this one says a foundation brush for $23. I got a bunch of these exact brushes that came in sets from Ipsy or Boxy. Huh. Okay. $25 for, yeah, if I was to get a really $25, you can buy an It from It Cosmetics for $35 and get a really fancy brush. Okay, and then we got this golden oil. It's got argan, marula, pomegranate, and grapeseed oil. It's kind of hard to read the writing, but it's what the packaging looks like. It's a glass bottle. Let's see. Okay, oak, moss, and coconut body. Is that it? Yeah, shimmering oil. It says it's valued at $36. A shimmering elixir that will nourish your skin with a powerful and beneficial combination of oils and give you the ultimate summer glow. Each is custom blended for you by hand in small batches at the, whatever it is, soap bar in Soho, New York. Okay, so that's valued at $36. And then we got this Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. Let's see, this is valued at $22. It says a multitasking duo featuring sheer tint and clear shimmer-free balm for moisturized lips, cheeks, and eyes. The double-tiered compact with a built-in mirror is perfect for staying gorgeous on the go. And this is cute. It looks like that. Let's see it like this. So it has the lip oil, I guess, or lip, whatever it is, lip balm at the bottom. And then it has the color at the top, and that is cute. And then we got this Acne Pimple Master Patch, and there's 24 of the little patches in here for, it's probably like any of the other ones, that they're like little bitty circles that you put on if you have an blemish somewhere. Let's see, that is valued at $6. It says multiple award-winning pimple patch protects wounded or troubled area from getting worse and maintains humidity of skin to prevent further breakouts. So we got that, and then this is the palette that you see on my arm that I did my eye makeup to. There is the packaging, and it is really, I mean, it is a really nice palette. I love those colors. I don't think I have anything in that color story, so this is called Lake Como, and I think those colors are just perfect for that type of thing. Again, those are the swatches on my arm. Some of them got wore off when I put my arm against my leg. Let's see, it was between the Glam Light Cosmetics or the Nomad Cosmetics, and I got the Nomad. I'm not sure what the Glam Light one was, but the Nomad one is valued at $27. Velvety, soft, and blendable eyeshadows formulated with extra fine pigments. 9 fresh, rich shades inspired by living La Dos Vida at Lake Como in the summertime. 5 mattes and 4 soft shimmer finishes infused with organic grapeseed oil with vibrant and long-wearing color. And that is, I used that on my eyes. I really liked it. I went out of my comfort zone a bit there, and I think it turned out really good. I like this palette. I'm sure I will use it again. Again, this one was valued at $27. The Wonder Beauty Lip and Cheek was valued at $22. The 2 brushes are valued at $25 and $23. Yeah, I'm still kind of thinking, how crazy is that? I'm serious. This one, I've got 3 or 4 of these brushes that came in really, I'm almost sure I've gotten some of them in the $12 Ipsy bag, this exact same brush. I would have to look and see if it's the exact same brush, same color, but I'm pretty sure it is. And I mean, they're not really, to me, they're not really dense enough to do anything except maybe put your highlighter on. This one would be good enough like for doing around your eyes, to put powder around your eyes. I'm sure, yeah, it'd probably be perfect. I have a Sigma for that, but this would probably be perfect for, it actually feels really nice, but I don't see that it would be, yeah, I don't see how you would use this to do foundation. Okay, so we got those, and then we got the acne patches. There's 24, is that what it said? 24 little patches for $6. Is that it? Oh yeah, and this, I think I forgot this. This for $36. And this is a bi-monthly box for, what did I say, $34.99. It's not too bad, because I do like the palette, and I really love skincare, so I will probably use this, and I will probably use these brushes. I still can't believe that. I mean, I've seen these add-ons on Ipsy for like $3 a piece or something too. I just found that really odd that it's $25 and $23 a brush. Okay, but I am very happy with my palette. So thank you very much for watching. I'm sorry if I sound negative. I like to be completely honest with my reviews. I would never try to get someone to buy something that I didn't feel like was worth it, but it may be worth it to you, and I'm sure there's things that I will find that are worth it that you may not, and that's what makes the world go around. We're all different, and we all have different opinions, and that's okay. I just feel like I have to give my honest review, and my honest review is that's really crazy for these brushes to cost more than $6 or $7 a piece at the most. So here's something. Okay, so that is what I got in my Tribe Beauty Bag. Again, this is $34.99. It is a bi-monthly box. This is, I think, the August-September box. So if you want to get this box, it's probably still available. I do think that there was some kind of code to use if you wanted to get it. Oops, that's not on there. Type all the way. I think there is some kind of code. If you want to get the box, let me know, and I will look it up and see if I can find some kind of code to save you some money. And there is that. So thank you very much for watching. It's getting late and it's been a rough day, so my mind is kind of all over the place. And this bar stool I set up on the counter, and I have to sit on this bar stool, and by the time I've made 2 or 3 videos, my back is hurting so bad I can't hardly sit up because this thing is so uncomfortable. I can't wait to get my room finished and be able to go in there and make my videos and do my makeup in a comfortable chair, because this one is so uncomfortable. But I am really loving my ring light. I have wanted that ring light before I ever even started making videos. I was wanting to get one to start out right, and then I decided to wait until I started doing it and make sure I liked doing it. And I am loving this ring light. That is just so cool. So thank you very much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.